Welcome to Cochin Shipyard Limited, a shining jewel in India's maritime industry. Located in the vibrant city of Kochi, Kerala, CSL is a testament to India's shipbuilding prowess and innovation. Today, we'll take you on a journey through its history, achievements, and its pivotal role in shaping the nation's maritime future, including its significant contributions to the economy. The story of Cochin Shipyard began in 1972, when it was established as a government-owned enterprise. Over the decades, it has grown to become one of India's largest and most advanced shipbuilding and repair facilities. With its strategic location along the Arabian Sea, CSL has been instrumental in strengthening India's maritime capabilities and contributing to economic growth. Cochin Shipyard Limited, or CSL, stands as a shining example of India's maritime prowess, boasting some of the most advanced and state-of-the-art infrastructure in the country's shipbuilding sector. Spanning over 170 acres along the scenic backwaters of Kochi, CSL's facilities are a testament to decades of innovation, investment, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. The shipyard's modern layout is designed to maximize efficiency, safety, and productivity, making it a preferred destination for both commercial and defense projects. At the heart of CSL's operations is its colossal dry dock, one of the largest in India. This engineering marvel stretches over 255 meters in length and 43 meters in width, capable of accommodating some of the world's largest vessels. The dry dock is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including high-capacity cranes, advanced pumping systems, and sophisticated safety features, ensuring that every project is executed with precision and care. This facility allows CSL to undertake complex shipbuilding and repair tasks that few other shipyards in the region can match. CSL's shipbuilding facilities are designed to handle vessels up to 110,000 deadweight tonnage, a scale that enables the construction of everything from large oil tankers and bulk carriers to sophisticated naval ships and specialized offshore vessels. The shipyard's production lines are supported by a highly skilled workforce, state-of-the-art fabrication shops, and a robust supply chain, all working in harmony to deliver world-class ships on time and to exacting standards. In addition to new builds, CSL's repair facilities are equally impressive, with the capacity to service and repair vessels up to 125,000 deadweight tonnage. The shipyard handles a diverse range of repair projects, from routine maintenance and overhauls to emergency repairs and complex retrofits. Its reputation for quality workmanship and quick turnaround times has made it a trusted partner for shipping companies from around the globe. This unique combination of large-scale shipbuilding and comprehensive repair services has established CSL as a major hub for maritime activity, catering to both domestic and international clients. The shipyard's ability to handle a wide variety of vessels and projects has attracted business from leading shipping lines, oil and gas companies, and defense organizations, further cementing its status as a leader in the industry. In the fiscal year 2022 to 2023, CSL reported a remarkable turnover of 3,500 crore rupees, reflecting not only its robust financial performance, but also the trust and confidence it has earned from clients worldwide. This impressive achievement underscores CSL's commitment to operational excellence, innovation, and sustainable growth, positioning it as a cornerstone of India's maritime future. Over the years, CSL has delivered a wide range of vessels, from bulk carriers and tankers to platform supply vessels and passenger ships. One of its most notable achievements is the construction of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant. This monumental project showcases CSL's technical expertise and its contribution to India's defense sector. The construction of INS Vikrant was a complex and ambitious endeavor. It required cutting-edge technology, meticulous planning, and collaboration with experts from around the world. Today, INS Vikrant stands as a symbol of India's self-reliance in defense manufacturing, contributing to the nation's strategic capabilities. In addition to shipbuilding, CSL is renowned for its ship repair services. Its facilities are equipped to handle a wide range of repairs, from routine maintenance to complex overhauls. Ship repair accounts for approximately 24.2% of CSL's turnover, further solidifying its role in the maritime economy. CSL is not just about ships, it's also about people. The Marine Engineering Training Institute, located within the shipyard, trains aspiring maritime professionals. With state-of-the-art facilities and experienced faculty, MITI prepares candidates for successful careers in the maritime industry, contributing to skill development in Kerala and beyond. When we talk about Cochin Shipyard Limited, or CSL, one thing that really stands out is its unwavering commitment to sustainability and innovation. In an industry that's often seen as traditional, CSL is actively redefining what it means to be a responsible shipbuilder in the 21st century. The company recognizes that the future of shipbuilding depends on how well it can balance economic growth with environmental stewardship, and it's taking bold steps to lead the way. At the heart of CSL's operations are a range of eco-friendly practices that go far beyond the basics. The shipyard has implemented cutting-edge energy-efficient technologies such as LED lighting, optimized HVAC systems, and even solar power installations across its facilities. These efforts are designed to significantly reduce the shipyard's carbon footprint. In addition, CSL has developed robust waste management systems that focus on recycling, responsible disposal, and minimizing hazardous waste. The company also harvests rainwater and monitors its energy usage in real time, ensuring that every resource is used as efficiently as possible. But CSL's commitment doesn't stop there. The shipyard is at the forefront of exploring new technologies that can transform the maritime sector. For example, it's investing in research and development to use green fuels like LNG, hydrogen, and even biofuels, which can drastically cut emissions from ships. Engineers are also experimenting with advanced lightweight composite materials that not only make ships more fuel efficient, but also extend their lifespan. These innovations are helping to set new standards for sustainable shipbuilding in India and beyond. One of the most exciting initiatives at CSL is the Green Tug Transition Program. This flagship project is all about designing and building hybrid and fully electric propulsion tugs, which are a game-changer for India's ports and waterways. These tugs use a combination of battery power and clean fuels, drastically reducing emissions and noise pollution. The program also includes training for crew members and collaboration with Indian ports to ensure a smooth transition to greener operations. By pioneering these technologies, CSL is not just supporting India's green maritime goals. It's setting an example for shipyards around the world, showing that innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand to create a cleaner, more efficient future for the shipping industry. As a Miniratna company, Cochin Shipyard Limited, or CSL, stands as a pillar of strength in both India's and Kerala's economic landscape. Its presence in Kochi has transformed the region into a hub of maritime activity, attracting investments, fostering innovation, and supporting a wide network of ancillary industries. The shipyard's operations ripple far beyond its gates, influencing the livelihoods of countless families and businesses across the state and the nation. CSL is a major engine for employment generation, directly employing thousands of skilled and unskilled workers, engineers, and management professionals. But its impact doesn't stop there. The shipyard's activities create a ripple effect, generating indirect jobs in supporting sectors such as logistics, supply chain, hospitality, and local services. From welders and electricians to caterers and transport operators, a diverse workforce finds opportunity and stability thanks to CSL's ongoing projects and expansions. On the global stage, CSL's reputation for quality and reliability has enabled it to secure prestigious export orders. In fact, exports now account for 12% of the company's turnover, a testament to its growing international footprint. These exports not only bring valuable foreign exchange into India, but also showcase Indian engineering and manufacturing prowess to the world, strengthening the nation's position in the global maritime industry. Looking ahead, CSL's ambitious vision is to achieve a turnover of 12,000 crore rupees by the year 2030. This bold target reflects the company's commitment to innovation, capacity expansion, and sustainable growth. By investing in new technologies, expanding its facilities, and nurturing talent, CSL aims to further boost economic development, create more jobs, and contribute even more significantly to both Kerala's and India's prosperity in the years to come. Looking ahead, CSL has ambitious plans for the future. It is expanding its facilities to accommodate larger vessels and exploring new markets, such as offshore wind energy and autonomous ships. These initiatives position CSL as a leader in the evolving maritime landscape, with significant contributions to India's and Kerala's infrastructure development. The success of CSL is driven by its dedicated workforce and satisfied clients. Employees take pride in their work, knowing they are contributing to the nation's progress. Clients appreciate CSL's commitment to quality, innovation, and timely delivery. Cochin Shipyard Limited is more than just a shipyard. It's a symbol of India's maritime aspirations. With its rich legacy, cutting-edge technology, and visionary leadership, CSL is charting a course towards a brighter and more sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.